A debt does not automatically mean it's an account. I'll say this again. A debt does not automatically means it's an account. And somebody's going to say to Rain, what do you mean by that? All right, let's get into it. Let me find something for you that explains that a debt does not automatically means it's an account. All right, so here, oh, let me share screen. I wrote a book on this, right? And in this book, what I'm going to do is I'll just go over a few pages. If you Google this online, you'll hello, handsome guy, right? So basically, a lot of people believe that debt collectors often claim that they can access your credit report under the FCRA simply because you owe a debt. Well, while you may owe a debt, that doesn't actually make the debt an account. So the FCRA only allows a collector to access your credit report if the debt is tied to a qualifying account. Now, it must be a qualifying account, and that account has to be initiated by you, and they must also prove that, not just any alleged obligation. All right. So the strategy here uses the FCRA definition of the word account from 15 USC 1693A2, 15 USC 1681BF for permissible purpose, and key federal rulings in the Bursaw versus Northland, Sorrell versus Convergent, right? So the whole foundation of this is as follows. A person or entity may not obtain a consumer report under unless it's for a permissible purpose. So let me repeat that. A person or entity may not obtain a consumer report unless it is for a permissible purpose, right? Now, 15 USC 1681 AR4 refers to the Electronic Funds Transfer Act. And that word or that act has the word account in it. And the definition under 15 USC 1693A2 defines an account as the following: a demand deposit, savings deposit, or other asset account other than means not included, other than or incidental credit balance in an open-end credit plan. So like your credit cards, personal loans, and stuff like those that are open-end credit plans, those are not included in what the definition of account is. So if a debt collector is collecting on credit card debt, guess what? It does not meet the definition of what the word account is. Furthermore, key point, a debt is not automatically an account. So for those of you that have debt collectors and debt buyers calling you about credit card debt they're attempting to collect and it's on your credit, I bet you didn't know that it was not supposed to be there. But if you want this guide, if you want the book, and the book details, it explains it detailedly. There's dispute letters and the strategy that you can use to get these collections deleted. Not only that, you have the opportunity, if you choose it, to take this debt collector to court, sue them, get some money in your pocket. It's up to you what you want to do. With great power comes great responsibility. So what I'm going to do, the link for the book, I'm going to have it in the description. I'm going to have my mentorship in there and my school community. You can pick whichever one you want. It's 2026. Let's get a bag. We're after the bag. Debt collectors and deletions, that was like 2020, 2021, 2022. Now we're going after the bag. We want the moolah, baby. All right. So the link is in the description. Let's go.